Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Nova Y70, and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So first let's open the gallery application, tap here to next. Okay, and now for example let's select these 3 photos to hide them. Just now to do that, click here to more icon on the right down corner and click to hide. Now we can see that here the question hide these 3 items, and to view these hidden icons we should then go to the album tabs, touch to the more icon here on the right upper corner and tap here to hidden items. So let's do that, tap to OK. Now we should go here to the albums. Now we should tap here on the right upper corner and click to hidden items, and now we can find these 2 photos in 1 video here. And if you want to change and just turn them back, you should select them and click here to unhide, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.